Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com. Well, coming to the market yesterday, as expected, the markets continued to be volatile. But in fact, the good thing was after the entire day of negative consolidation, the market actually had a big rally at the last half an hour, and which led to a close above 18,400. So that means the positivity in the market is still on, and 17,400 is of course a good support. So at this point of time, 19,400. We've got so much used to being 17,000. Right now we're at 19,000. Oh my God. Indian stock market at all-time highs. Well, so if you look at the markets after Indian markets closed, if you look at the major part of US markets, what happened was there was the Federal Reserve meeting minutes which came out yesterday, and that said that they are of course planning rate hikes, but would be in a slower pace at this point of time. So that was something which kind of kept the market subdued in the US, and finally we could see the US markets actually closing slightly negative. But that was fine. It was of course some volatility, but then with very small negative in the US. So at this point of time, looks like US markets have kind of settled down at this point of time, and there is some consolidation, which probably means we could see some moves coming in from the US market as well. Apart from that, if you look at yesterday, the weakness was actually given by SDFC Twins, whereas the power came in from ICICI. So it is not an overall banking sector weakness, but it was pertaining more to the SDFC Twins, which looks like it is going to come to an end because, as the merger is almost complete, and from 13th onwards, the stock also would change to just HDFC Bank. So this volatility is just here to probably, you know, happen within this time in SDFC Twins. So that can be attributed to that. But one thing important to be looking at is, SDFC itself was down by 3% yesterday. Will it further fall is an important question. But one important thing is, again, a lot of people who are holding SDFC stock will have to make it to a multiple of 25 so that they get the right number of shares from HDFC Bank. So there might be some buying. In fact, at this point of time, because HDFC is actually fallen 3% yesterday, I would actually see it as an opportunity to add more, as we are expecting good returns from HDFC in the near future. So that is something that I am planning to do. So just share it for your information, not investment advice, but do your search before that. So apart from that, if you look in the market today is the expiry. So being the expiry, naturally the markets are going to be more volatile. What is to be seen is that will the market actually stay in this level? If you see right now, as the Nifty future is actually trading at 19,478, close to 19,500. So we might again see a flat to slightly gap up opening today. But will that gap up sustain is a big question. So that too on an expiry day. Or will we see a consistent fall till the end of the day and a big rise by end of day? That's also expected. So I would say at this point of time, those who are trading, probably the first half would be a good time to trade, and probably the second half we should be out of market uh, because we might see some unexpected volatility in the last 1 2 hours. So that is the expectation for now. I hope yesterday I think there was some issue with our video. I hope it is resolved today. We did looking forward to a consistent video. The video doesn't work, I think then probably tomorrow onwards we can move to our audio podcast till I am back in India. So let's see. That's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Wishing you all a great expiry day. But before we leave, of course, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share. And do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. So that's it for now. Goodbye. Have a great day.